In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Windows key. The Windows key can be really useful, but it can also be annoying, especially if you're gaming or working and accidentally press it. That single press can minimize your game or application and interrupt what you're doing. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a safe, reliable way to disable the Windows key, and I'll also explain how to turn it back on later if you change your mind. We're going to do this using the built-in Registry Editor in Windows. Before we start, a quick note. The registry is a powerful part of the operating system. Making incorrect changes can cause unexpected behavior. So follow each step carefully and don't skip anything. First, open the Registry Editor. To do that, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type Regedit and press Enter. If a security prompt appears, choose Yes to continue. You'll now see the Registry Editor window, which is organized into folders on the left. Next, we'll navigate to the part of the registry that controls keyboard layouts. In the left panel, expand HKE/local machine, then expand System, then Current Control Set, then Control, and finally click on Keyboard Layout. Make sure you select Keyboard Layout and not Keyboard Layouts, because those are two different sections. With Keyboard Layout selected, look in the right panel. We're going to create a new value that tells Windows to turn off the Windows key. Right-click in an empty space on the right side, choose New, then click Binary Value. Name this new value Scan Code Map exactly as shown, with the same spacing and capitalization. Now double-click the scan code map value you just created. A window will open where you can enter data. Here, you'll paste in a specific sequence that remaps the Windows key to nothing, effectively disabling it. Make sure you enter the data exactly as instructed by your trusted reference or guide. Once you're done, click OK to save the changes and close the window. To apply the change, you'll need to restart your computer. Go ahead and reboot. After your system starts back up, try pressing the Windows key. It should no longer bring up the Start menu or interrupt your applications. If you ever want to re-enable the Windows key, just go back to the same Keyboard Layout location in the Registry Editor. Right-click the Scan Code Map entry, delete it, and restart your computer again. Your Windows key will work like normal. That's all you need to do to disable the Windows key safely and reversibly.